Imagine taking a small vacation, not with your body, but with your mind. You are not packing a bag. You are not going to the airport. You are simply slowing down. You are breathing calmly. You are listening. And while you relax, your English is gently improving. Welcome back to the A1 English Podcast. I'm really happy you pressed play today. If you are listening right now, it means you care about yourself. It means you believe that small steps matter. And it means you want to learn in a calm way. Today's episode is slow. It is simple. And it is designed to help you feel comfortable with English. Our topic today is vacations. Vacations are not only about travel. They are about rest. They are about giving your mind a break. And today we will use this topic to practice easy English in a natural way. You don't need grammar rules today. You don't need to study hard. Just listen, imagine, and think gently in English. Now let me ask you a very simple question. When you hear the word vacation, what comes into your mind? Maybe you see sunshine. Maybe you imagine a quiet place. Maybe you think about waking up with no alarm clock. For many people, vacation means freedom. Freedom from work. Freedom from stress. Freedom from rushing. You wake up slowly. You move slowly. You think slowly. And this slow feeling is important. Rest is not lazy. Rest is necessary. When you rest, your brain relaxes. And when your brain relaxes, learning becomes easier. This is why calm topics are very good for language learning. Now let's talk about different kinds of vacations. People enjoy vacations in different ways. There is no right or wrong way. Some people love the beach. A beach vacation feels warm and peaceful. You hear the sound of waves. You feel the sun on your skin. You walk on soft sand. Some people swim in the sea. Some people read a book. Some people just sit and look at the water. Doing nothing feels strange at first, but slowly it feels good. Doing nothing is actually a skill, a vacation skill. Your mind learns to stop rushing. Your body learns to relax. Now let's think about another type of vacation, mountain vacations. Mountains feel different from beaches. The air feels clean. The trees feel tall and strong. The environment feels quiet. Sometimes it is cold in the mountains. You wear a jacket. You breathe deeply. When you walk in the mountains, your thoughts slow down. You are not thinking about work. You are not checking your phone again and again. You are just walking, just breathing, just being present. Many people say mountains help them feel calm and clear. Now let's talk about another popular option, city vacations. City vacations feel exciting and busy. You walk through streets. You visit museums, you sit in cafes, you hear different languages, you see different faces, you try new food. And food is always a big part of travel. When people go to Italy, they think about pizza and pasta. When people visit Japan, they dream about sushi. And on vacation, calories do not count. Ice cream every day? That's fine. Trying new food is part of the experience. Now let's talk about how people travel. Many people choose airplanes. Flying is fast. Flying saves time. But airports can feel stressful. You check your passport. You check your phone. You check your boarding pass. You check everything again and again. Still, airplanes help us travel far in a short time. Other people prefer road trips. Road trips feel free. You can play music. You can talk with friends. You can sing loudly. You can stop when you want. You can take photos. You can enjoy the journey. But road trips can also feel long. Hours pass slowly. Someone asks, "Are we there yet?" And the answer is often, "Not yet." Now let's talk about packing. Packing is an important part of travel. Some people pack too much. They think, maybe I will need this, maybe I will need that, and soon their suitcase is very heavy. Some people pack very little, just a few clothes, just basic things. But then problems happen. It rains. They forget something important. One person once went to the beach and forgot a swimsuit. Imagine that situation. They had to buy a new one, and it was expensive. So here is a simple lesson. Always make a packing list. A list helps you feel calm. A list helps you remember important things. Now let's talk about money. Vacations can be expensive. Hotels cost money, tickets cost money, food costs money. Not everyone has a big travel budget, and that is okay. There is another option, a staycation. A staycation means staying at home but relaxing like you are on vacation. You visit places in your city. You go to parks. You try new restaurants. You sleep more. You move slower. You enjoy your time without travel stress. Sometimes the best vacation is close to home. Vacations are not about distance, they are about mindset. Now let's talk about rest. Sometimes vacations feel tiring. People even say, "I need a vacation after my vacation." This happens when we do too much. The most important part of any break is disconnecting, turning off work emails, putting your phone down, spending time with family, or enjoying quiet moments alone. Vacations help us create memories. Photos are nice, but not everything needs a photo. Sometimes the best moments are felt, not photographed. Now, before we finish, let me ask you one final question. What is your dream vacation? Is it the beach? Is it the mountains? Is it a city adventure? Or somewhere quiet and peaceful? Take a moment, think about it. Now try to make one simple sentence in English. You can write it in the comments. Even a short sentence is great practice. Thank you for listening to Winds of Thought A1 English Podcast. Relax, practice slowly, and enjoy your English journey. I'll see you in the next episode.